Cryptocurrency Trading Platform Review. Choosing the right cryptocurrency trading platform is essential when investing in this space. Several factors need to be considered, such as trading fees, security, variety of supported cryptocurrencies, user interface, and additional features. Here are some of the most popular cryptocurrency trading platforms along with their pros and cons. Binance. Pros: high trading volume, wide variety of cryptocurrencies, low fees, easy-to-use interface. Cons: does not support fiat in some countries, history of hacks. Coinbase. Pros: user-friendly interface, strong verification, fiat support, suitable for beginners. Cons: relatively high fees, limited variety of cryptocurrencies. Qcoin. Pros: low fees, advanced trading interface, margin, and futures trading. Cons: does not support fiat in some countries, relatively difficult verification. Kraken. Pros: high security, good liquidity, fiat support, suitable for experienced traders. Cons: average fees, complex user interface. Changely. Pros: fast and easy cryptocurrency exchange, no registration required. Cons: high fees, limited variety of cryptocurrencies, no advanced trading options. In addition to these platforms, there are other options available that may be better suited to your specific needs. It is important to do your research and carefully consider the various factors before choosing a platform. Here are some additional tips for choosing a cryptocurrency trading platform. Consider your experience level. Some platforms are more suitable for beginners, while others offer more features for experienced traders. Check the cryptocurrencies you want to trade. Make sure the platform supports the cryptocurrencies you are interested in. Compare fees and costs. Review the various fees, such as trading fees, withdrawal, and deposit fees. Evaluate the platform's security. Check the platform's security history and make sure it uses strong security measures like two-factor authentication. Review the user interface. Make sure you are comfortable with the platform's interface and that it is easy to use. Read user reviews. Before choosing a platform, read user reviews about it. By choosing the right cryptocurrency trading platform, you can invest in this market with greater confidence.